No! We are not yet done. I am not done with you yet. Kasi hindi pa natin tapos i-discuss ang subject-verb agreement. Kaya, keep watching. Hello guys, my name is Sheila and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. And for those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button below and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. This is a free English video tutorial, and so I hope that you'll keep watching because I really hope that I could be of help in your English endeavor.
Amazing!
And also, if you haven't watched my other English videos, please click the link up here so you can also watch the other videos I made. Basic Grammar, Subject-Verb Agreement Part 2. Once again, the rule for subject-verb agreement is subjects and verbs must agree in number, which means if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. So let's continue. Compound subject with a singular and a plural noun or pronoun joined by either and or neither and nor, the verb should agree with the part of the subject that is closest to the verb. Which means kapag ang subject na malapit sa verb ay singular, the verb must be singular. If plural naman ang subject na malapit sa verb, of course, plural din ang verb. For example, either my brothers or George plays the guitar. So George here, the other part of the subject is singular at ito yung pinakamalapit sa verb. That is why yung verb na play is also singular. So George plays the guitar well. Ignore mo na lang itong my brothers, okay? The second one, either Jane or her sisters are coming to the party tonight. So, yung malapit na subject sa verb is plural. Her sisters, plural ito, kaya yung ang verb na are is of course plural in form din. Another examples. Neither my brothers nor George plays the guitar well. Neither Jane nor her sisters are coming to the party tonight. Another thing that we need to remember is this. Each one, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, nobody, somebody, someone, and no one are singular and require a singular verb. For example, each of the students in the class is a unique individual. Everyone in the group shares some really interesting and great ideas. Nobody really knows why Ella wants to quit her job. Somebody has to tell me what's going on. So we are just referring to individual person, kaya singular ang verb. Alright? So, pag kami nakita kayong each one, everybody, or everyone, anyone, anybody, just use the singular form of the verb. Okay? At ito pa ang isa. Itong non-count nouns na to. Okay? Non-count nouns take a singular verb. Okay? So, non-count nouns means sila yung mga singular lang talaga. Single lang sila for the rest of their lives. Parang ikaw lang. No? NBSB or no boyfriend since birth. Yung NGSB, no girlfriend since birth. Pero meron pa bang mga ganun? Basta ako, hindi ako NBSB. Status complicated lang. Okay, for example, education is the key to one's success, so it is very important. The population is growing so fast these days. The information needs to be clarified by the team members. Cancer affects so many people around the world. So, itong mga count nouns na to, hindi mo sila po pwedeng lagyan ng S para gawing plural. Hindi mo pwedeng sabing educations, populations, the informations, cancers. You do not do this. Okay? Otherwise, you will break the rule of the subject-verb agreement. Next. Siyempre, kung may non-count nouns na singular lang in forms, meron ding non-count nouns na plural in forms lang din. So, countable nouns such as valuables, proceeds, belongings, contents, goods, surroundings, and earnings only have a plural form and take a plural verb. So, since these nouns only have a plural form, plural lang din ang verb na gagamitin natin. For example, the proceeds from the auction go to the charities that we support. Your belongings are just right here. So just remember, these count nouns na plural in forms lang, lagi silang may S, as in sweetheart, sweetie pie, sunshine, selos, sampalan, sigawan, o, di ba? Yung mga singles dyan, huwag kayong mainggit kasi minsan mas maganda pa yung single ka lang kasi wala kang drama sa buhay, wala kang S, wala kang sakit sa puso. Gets mo? Ito namang sina there is at there are ang pag-usapan natin. For there is or there are, the subject follows the verb. Since there is not the subject, the verb agrees with what follows the verb. So you might ask sa mga sentences na to. There is too much pollution in the city. There aren't enough buses on this route. There are many factors affecting a student's learning. There is still some tea on the table. Okay, so ano ba ang subject sa mga ito? Kasi lagi nating iniisip, subject is always found at the beginning of the sentence. Hindi naman subject yung there. So, since hindi naman siya subject, the verb will just agree kung ano yung words na kasunod nito. So, for example, there are many factors affecting a student's learning. So, yung verb is are, okay? So, yung subject na pwedeng gamitin is many factors. So, yung factors is plural, that is why yung verb is are. Dito naman sa isa, there is still some tea. So, tea is a non-count noun. So, that is why we use is as the verb. Last but not the least, let's talk about collective nouns. What do you mean by collective nouns? Okay, collective nouns are words that imply more than one person but are considered singular and take a singular verb. Some examples are group, team, committee, family, and class. Sila yung mga nouns na pangmaramihan pero singular in form lang kasi nga grupo sila. Okay, so dahil singular lang sila in form, singular lang din ang verb na gagamitin. For example, the committee holds a meeting every end of the month. My family owns a small restaurant business. So, committee and family, although maraming tao, pero iisa lang yung grupo nila. Okay? Pero, may pero no? Kala nyo tapos na? Take note lang guys. If the focus is on the individuals in the group, the plural verb should be used. This is not very common though. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kung yung pinaka-focus ng sentence ay yung grupo, dapat yung individuals na nasa group, yung plural verb ang gagamitin natin. Okay? For example, the group have their own way of spending their free time privately. So, isang grupo sila, pero yung focus ng pangungusap is kung ano yung ginagawa nila privately. Okay? Another one, the team work for different companies and do different jobs for a living. So we're not talking about what the team does as one, but yung kung ano yung ginagawa ng bawat miyembro ng team. So they work for different companies and they do different jobs for a living. Alright, so guys, once again, I have a short subject verb agreement quiz for you. Paki-pause na lang ng video kung mag-answer kayo, and then kung tapos na kayong mag-answer, you can also check your answers because the answers are provided. shout out dali sa mga nag-share sang videos ko, 2 previous videos ko, namely Ate Bebs Jimenez, Sir Bob Carillo, Crisa Mayo Sores, Tita Rose Peroy, Lisel Sebritas, my cousin, Rian Soriba Mika, and Rashila Cornelio, my old high school classmate, Perlina Maquiliano, Evelyn Martinez, Eleanor Junio, Freya Morrison, mga girls, mga English majors. Thank you. Sir Cyril Paguntalan, Tita Tess Tamayo, alright? Thank you so much, guys, for your support, for sharing my videos. And for those that I have not mentioned, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. Pasensya gid, hindi ko makita ang inyong mga names. If you have shared it in your messenger or in your Facebook page, hindi ko makita. So, but anyway, thank you so much for helping. Thank you so much for your support. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something again from this video. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the black notification bell for more videos. Also, please give it a thumb up, and don't forget to share, and please, I will really appreciate it if you comment something about the video. If you like, if you have learned something from the video, or if you got refreshed by the video, just comment, write it down in the comment section. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. God bless. See you next time.